Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing fine. So today's video we are gonna be doing Scotch bonnet. So this Scotch bonnet, I'm gonna be doing it in the microwave. Why do I do that? Sometimes, it's not all the times, okay? I do that because I have a newborn baby and I got kids around, they're on holiday, so I do not want to fry it because everybody will be crying, everybody will be sneezing. This thing is hot, okay? Especially when they got kids around. It's best to do it when kids are not around, but I have no option but to do this like everyone is at home. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna start by washing it and then taking away that black thing that's sticking out. I don't know what is it called. Bonjour, bonsoir bandeko nangai nyoso ozotala video oyo. Lelo tosala pilipili nangai nakosala ngo na microwave. Mpona nini nasala ngo na microwave eza mpona naza na bana na ndako, donc namonaka lokola so nasala yango boye solo nango ezalaka trap. Nayebi trap eza nini na lingala, ezaka trap na microwave instead of ebana kotambola ndako mobimba na bana biso nyonso bana kokosola awa. Yango wana nalobaki non, lelo nasala yango na microwave, yango wana nasala, okay? So this is the things that I remove, okay? You need to remove all of it and then obviously put it into your mixer and start mixing. All right, first of all, we're gonna start adding some orange juice inside. Okay, tokobakisa lemon, toche lemon, and tobaki ginger and garlic. And do not forget your salt. We're gonna add salt inside. Tobakisa mungwa. Sorry, the camera is moving a little bit, so I'm holding the camera in one hand and trying to put salt on the other. So I only have two hands. I was about to say one hand. And please do not forget to add onions, okay? Add one small onion inside, that would be nice. So we are gonna transfer it into our little bowl. Just make sure that this bowl has microwave proof on it. So it says at the back if you're allowed to put it inside the microwave, okay? So let's get started. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in there. So this is what I'm doing, putting oil, and then we're gonna mix it a little bit. Don't mix sango bien. Put wile kota evenly and then to kota na microwave. Simple as that, okay? So when you're putting it into your microwave, just make sure that the windows and doors are open because the smell will still come out when you open the door, okay? So when you get it out of the microwave, just mix it a little bit and transfer it into whatever container that you use. So this is just what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, please, more likey. I would be very happy. Thank you so much.